Hi guys, welcome back. In this short video we want to talk about the match function, and this is also a really interesting function because in later videos we will concatenate this function and use it together with the VLOOKUP function. Okay? Now, what is the match function basically doing? Well, let's find out. Okay? So just type in equals match, okay? And here you have your brief description. It returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specific value in a specific order. So just type in a tab, okay? And the lookup value is here Dan, okay? The lookup array, I will select it, this one, okay? And the match type, well, we are searching for an exact match, okay? So type in a 0, close parenthesis, press enter, and we will get a 2. So why do we get a 2? Well, Dan is on the second position in this table, okay? So again, you can play around with this. For instance, Alexander is an 8, okay? So we will get a number with the match function. And as I've said before, this will be interesting because we can use this function and concatenate it with the VLOOKUP function or the index function. And that's what we'll see in the next videos. Alright? So, stay tuned, stay interested, keep on going with me, and let's find out. Okay? Great to see you, and see you soon. Thanks.